Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag certification tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to get Oracle certification in Oracle is providing the REST to certification 2025. So you can save more than 40K Oracle certifications for Oracle badges and gain global recognition. Get certified fast. So don't miss this chance to earn a free certification. So what you will get on this free Oracle learning path, or free Oracle certification exams. The one exam worth is $245 each. Oracle digital badges, recognition from the Oracle expert and recruiter. So step by step process you can go. So there is a step and this is the URL. We can go through this. Open this URL. So here join the race and there is a choose the category. So AI, there is a foundation certifications are there is a professional certifications are there. So all the tab you can go, there is a foundation and associate certificate and professional certifications are there. So step by step I'll provide you the documentation on that. So this is certification and on that October 31st 2025. Let me log in with my account, or you don't have account then you can create your account. So this is the page. You can create your account by clicking this. So there is a email address, password, country name, and job title. If you are a student, then put the student, and company name not applicable. NA you can put, and you can go forward on this form. After doing this, you will get a username and password. Let me log in with my username and password. So one of the username and password. So let me log in again. So come to this page after login. I am already logged in. Okay, not showing. Let me check. Okay, rest to certification. My name is there. All the details are there. So go down and choose your certification path, certification, which one you want to go. Just like I'm going for the DevOps, just example. So there is a enroll in this path and you can activate for the claim your free exam attempts. So already I've done. You can click here and rest to the certification and you complete all the things and go to the register for the exam. So there is a exam details are there. This exam, you can check the cost of this exam cost on chat gpt. There is a USD $245. So this is going to be free for now. This is the last day for the today. So go here, you can choose your date. So that is 31st and it will show you the time zone. So just select one of the time, just like 10 p.m. continue. race to certification, continue and verify your details. Go save and save this one. Just read all the things, go down, then only it will enable. Just check this one and schedule your exam. So for that, you can schedule this. So Oracle raised to certification 2025, last day is today. So how to schedule your exam, I'll show you. So this is the process to show your exam. For any doubts and query, please write on the YouTube video comment section. Follow the process shown in the video. Please subscribe for the more video regarding the tutorial, certifications and courses. So hope this will help. Thank you for watching.